Hey guys, so today I wanted to film a quick cooking video. Um, it's probably less than 10 to 20 minutes and it's less than $20. So this is a meal you could make at home, a quick meal you could make at home if you want to. See, I got my little rice bowl, my tortillas, my Doritos if I want to make a taco salad, and I have my I'm gonna be focusing on today. And yeah, stay in tune. Hey guys, so right now what you see me doing is cutting off the fat off of my meat. This isn't a necessary key step within this process, but this is just what I like to do. I don't like so much fat on it, especially when I'm cooking it this type of way. Now, and if it was fried, I wouldn't take off so much, but the fact that I'm cooking the chicken in the rice cooker, I don't want too many I guess soft pieces in there, so that's why you see me cutting off most of that excess fat. And I'm also rinsing them and cleaning them as well. I just put them in cold to warm water, rinse really well until I don't see any blood, any gel-like substances, or just anything I don't want on my chicken. That's all. But yeah, I'm getting up in that thing, ain't I? Yeah, like I said, this ain't necessary, y'all. This is just what I do with my chicken. And this is chicken thighs as well. So, yeah, it comes with a lot of fat sometimes. So I'm just getting rid of those extra pieces one by one. Grab one from the, let me see. Yep. Y'all see it? So all of those white pieces are pieces of fat, and that is what I'm cutting off. So yes, you could skip this step or you could do it with me, but that's the first step to preparing your chicken. Clean it, take off the excess fat, any extra bones or anything you don't want, and you guys will see me in the next clip. And all the girls should be the hardest. What you say, man? I said, out of all the girls, I'd be the hottest. You sound country when you sing. I sound country when I sing. It sound like a country remix. Damn. What part sound country? Just your whole approach, like it just sounds country. Out of all the girls, I be the hottest. Because that's exactly how you sing it. Hey, sexy girl. Hello. You know what you've done.
Scan for missing pieces.
Okay guys, so I had to delete some memory off my camera because it wasn't enough space. But now that I have cut the fat off my chicken, wasn't too much. Got that to the side. Now, you guys probably never heard of this, but what I'm thinking about doing is cooking my chicken in the rice cooker. Now, I know you're thinking, how's that gonna taste? It said even wanna taste right. I don't know. But we're gonna do that. But yeah, all I'm gonna do is, you know what? Just watch me. Just watch me. So. Gonna take our oil. We're going to take our olive oil. Now I'm going to put however many, you could put however many you want, but I'm going to probably put 1.5 and then see how it smells from there. Usually you could taste it by the smell, so as it's cooking I would smell it, you know, and see if it needs a little bit extra. But yeah, go ahead. Okay guys, so I added my seasoning and I also added probably like a cup or a half a cup of water, and I stirred it up. And now I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning on top just so it could cook where it's at. And yeah, you could also make this in the oven, but I just decided to do something different. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with you next. All right y'all, so I just opened this up. I'm just breaking down the meat. So hold up. Okay y'all, so basically I let the chicken cook for about, I actually put this down twice during that whole time, but as you can see, the meat is just falling apart now. So basically I'm just shredding the meat. It's hard for me to do it with one hand kind of, so I've been using that fork along with this one. But as you can see, we have some good chicken meat, and I did not have to stand over the stove to cook this. How beautiful. I actually got in the shower. So as y'all can see, the rice cooker does cook meat really good, chicken to be exact. It's very juicy, very saucy. The meat I use chicken thighs. Y'all know in the beginning I cut off all of that fat, so, and just make sure we wouldn't have those little pieces of jelly. So yeah, so I'm gonna prepare this, put it on a plate, break it down some more, and yeah, y'all see the finishing touch in a second. So as y'all can see, I have broken down the meat, and now I am about to make my tacos and my taco salad. So watch me in the next clip. Alright y'all, so I'm getting ready to make my plate. Right now I have some salsa, some jalapenos, some spicy rancho. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but it's an option. Got my fiesta cheese, my soft tortillas, my lettuce, and my chicken.
Skin for missing the beat.
Also have Doritos. I already put them on my plate. And what I like to do, I like to take a paper towel. And I just I don't have a huge mouth, so I'm not saying you do, but I'm joking, y'all. But anyways, I just like to break them down because Doritos sometimes get in my gums and just, they can be killers at the end of the day is what I'm saying. So little bit in my taco. Some lettuce. Get it down a little bit. Okay. So now that I've done that, Now I'm going to top it with my jalapenos. So now we have our meal. This was cooked in a rice cooker. I did not have to stand over a stove. Really convenient. You could also cook in the air fryer or the oven, whichever way you like your chicken cooked. But this meat came out really tender. I pressed down on the rice cooker twice, and I think it's about like 20 minutes each time it goes down. But yes, this is the finishing touch. It's cute or whatever, but I'm ready to eat it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.